Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some project shares for you today, and this is going to be a catching up because I haven't done a project share in a while. So Ebony and I on the Misfits on Tuesday and Thursdays, we've been working on Halloween, and we decided we were going to make a loaded pocket, a pocket letter, some embellishments, and a wand just between the two of us. And yeah, so I want to show you what we've got so far. I did show my pocket already, but I'll show it again. So this is what we came up with, or what I came up with. I made 2 loaded pockets, okay? There it is. This was the first pocket, and I realized it was too small to put all the goodies that we wanted to make. There's a pocket right here. There's a pocket right here. So I made this first pocket, and then I made this larger pocket. And this is what I came up with. It's the same, no, it's a little wider than the first pocket. And I showed this already. And it's also wider here in the front. So, yeah, that is what the pocket looks like. And I'm using the Simple Stories Say Cheese collection. These are this is a Memdex card that was made by Scrap Diva, and then I added these little embellishments from the Say Cheese collection. Just added to what was already made. And it's a very sturdy Memdex. So I made that, or I altered that. This one I made myself, and I created this little shaker jar. This is a KS Craft die, I believe. And it's been in my stash for a while, but I thought it goes pretty cute with my loaded pocket. So those 2 items I will load into the larger pocket. So that's where I'm gonna put them. I'm putting the pocket letter into the back onto the smaller pocket. And oh boy, that did come off. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's supposed to go there. Let me add that on. And I think it kind of pulled away when I put it in the pocket letter. Or into the loaded pocket. Gosh, pockets on pockets on pockets. Anyway, so I've shared this one before. So I'm going to put this in just to recap what I did with that. Okay. Today I worked on this wand, and I used seed beads in my straw just to give it some sound and also some weight to the wand. I added this plastic chain here to the bottom of the rosette, and these little charms are stamped images onto shrink plastic. I did this a long time ago. I don't remember what year, but as soon as I purchased this stamp collection, I created some shrink plastics, had them already ready with jump rings, so I figured let me just throw these on since it's the same. It goes well with the Simple Stories collection. I think they're actually the same. So these little bits and pieces are from the Bits and Pieces, Simple Stories Bits and Pieces, Say Cheese Halloween. So pulled some of those out. The little scarecrow, I kind of grunged him up, and people didn't like that I did that because they thought, well, it's more fall. I'm like, yeah, I could go Halloween too. So it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to use it for Halloween. So I layered this on our last live, which was Sunday live, with them crafty girls. So I made a large rosette, and yes, it does have all the white core showing, but that's okay. I might put something on here to cover it up. We'll see. So that's the back side. And you can see I just punched a hole into the rosette, and that's where I dangled the charm right there. And that's what it looks like on the front. I did use some foam underneath the scarecrow face. I did add this little cute little spook, a little heart, a little skull, 31, the little Halloween banner on the background, a little coffin, and the Myra Maines on the tombstone, and one of the candied apples onto the scarecrow, underneath the scarecrow. So that is my wand. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did add a little pom-pom on the bottom just to keep that shaker bits in there. And yeah, so this will go into my loaded pocket, and it's gonna look like that. I think that's cute. It's sticking out right at the top. Add my little embellishments in here once I get them all nice and packaged. And yeah, who knows, this might go to one lucky crafty friend, who knows. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all come back and join the crafty family. Hit the subscribe button, and while you're there, if you hit the notification bell, that will let you know when I load new videos like this, or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.